Hey guys, Jesse with Bradley's Catfish Bubblegum and Bradley's Bite Enhancer, all pink, no stink. I did an intro to this video at the lake, but I was having some camera issues, so we're going to have to do it again. So today is July 1st. It is Sunday, so Independence Day weekend. We decided to go celebrate our country's independence at Fellows Lake. My dad had an idea to do a video on fishing on a budget. I know there's a lot of people that want to get into fishing, but they think that it's too expensive, and it's not the case. I know there's a lot of videos and people on Facebook and Instagram or whatever posting their gear, and it's really expensive gear. You know, they got into the thousands of dollars, and you don't have to spend that to get into fishing. And my go-to rod that I always take, I got the rod and reel on sale at Walmart. Garcia Conolon Premier. It's I believe 5.5. Oh, nope, it's 6 feet, medium action. I love it. It was like a $60 reel, or rod. I got it on sale at Walmart for 15 bucks. I'm not sure that you can get them anymore unless you go on eBay, but I love it. The reel is an Quantum Optics 40 series reel. I got that on sale at Walmart. They're normally, I think they were initially 40 bucks. I got it on sale, it was a few years ago, so I'm not sure how much it is now, but they still sell them on Amazon, and I'll put the affiliate link down in the bottom. But retail price, rod and reel, 120 bucks, and I didn't pay anywhere near that. Just wait and get stuff on sale. You won't have to spend much. This weekend, the local farm store here in town had a sale, Independence Day sale, for their sporting goods stuff, including rods. So I went up there. They have this rod, which is a Daiwa. I'm not sure how to say it. Laguna. It's a 7-foot medium heavy action casting rod. Normally they have them for 40 bucks. I got it on sale. Amazon is actually cheaper than that. The reel, I'll put the Amazon link in the description also. But the reel is just a cheap Walmart. I think Walmart actually owns this brand. It's Granite Outdoors. 6 bearing system, 6.3 to 1 gear ratio. It's not the fastest reel you're gonna get, but it's quality, and it's a $30 Walmart reel. $30 for a Baitcaster. I mean, you can't beat that. And I got both of these this weekend. Tried them out today for the first time. I haven't used a Baitcaster since I was 16, 17 years old, and I'm in my 30s now, so I mean, I only got a couple of bird's nests, and it was, I mean, it's smooth to cast, it's smooth retrieval. The rod is awesome. It's a very budget-friendly setup. And Dad, this is why he had the idea to do a budget video. You cannot get him to have anything other than this. I've bought him more expensive stuff. He won't use it because this is what catches his fish. It's an old Shakespeare Spectrum, 5.5 light action, 5.5 feet light action, Zebco 808. He got this at a garage sale for $5, ready to fish. Of course, we put new line on it since then, but I mean, it was completely ready to fish. $5. You don't need to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on gear when a $5 garage sale job will do the trick. And we like to use Bradley's Bite Enhancer, and I mean, Dad's a worm guy. He loves, you have to go through 20 perch to catch a catfish, but he loves it. And we both love using Bradley's Bite Enhancer. It's very, very affordable. The catfish bubblegum is very affordable, and I'm not just saying this because it's, you know, I'm on their pro staff. I was using their products prior to them asking me to be on the pro staff, so it's affordable, and it's Bradley's catfish bubblegum is actually more expensive to make because it's got natural, fresh, it's got fresh ingredients, whereas stink baits use rotten stuff to give it the stinky smell. So it's comparable to other catfish bait prices, and I mean, it works. So that's what we like to use. You don't have to go out and spend a ton of money to fish. You can get a rod and reel at a garage sale for $5, spend a little bit of money on bait, and you're set. Gas money to get to the lake or the river or whatever. So that's why we're making this video today, or why we did. And it was pretty cool today. We got to see a bald eagle. I didn't get all of it. It came, swooped down, got a fish out of the lake, and then went back into the trees. I didn't get it swooping down, but I got some pretty cool footage. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and enjoy.
Hungry?
Mom?
Hungry?
Mary, you gotta get a picture. You got a picture?
We're videoing because it's a whopper.
Oh,
What is he, about 6 pounds?
Hang on, Larry.
get your needle nose.
Look up at me.
Nightcrawlers and Bradley's Bite Enhancer. Well, my chest camera didn't.
What do you got?
My chest camera quit working, so
Quiet.
didn't get it on film. But there's a little bitty bass, wacky worm, Bradley's Bite Enhancer.
Go. Don't come and look at you.
You've got 11 ounces.
Got a fish.
Bald eagle, guys. There he goes. Came and stole one of our fish.
She's gonna get you on video.
So we're going to switch to catfish mode. Going to be using the Bradley's catfish bubblegum garlic and onion flavor. Catfish bait that doesn't stink. So since it doesn't stink, I'm just going to reach in here with my hands. Get a little pinch of it. Roll it up. Take our number 4 treble hook. And wrap it around there. And it's summer, it's hot, so the best way to keep this, I keep the bait in my cooler. That way it doesn't lose its consistency. Get the lid back on there. Go down here and cast it off.
You got on there?
Catfish bubblegum. Number 1 catfish bait in Perkins' house. Got a little bigger. Couldn't get to the camera quick enough to get it on film, but you ever seen a catfish eating bubble gum? All pink, no stink. Catfish bubblegum. Is that a catfish, Dad? You get a catfish?
Yeah. Fish.
Ones I catch are bigger.
What do you want me to do? Yeah, there, Becky. See what I caught?
Mom? She's not listening. Mom!
What? What?
Not a turtle.
He's so little. Pick him up. Pick him up.
you go, buddy. Go on. There you go. Another whopper.
Well, this is a funny looking mouth on him. You see that color, that white under him, under his mouth? It's kind of weird, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Got another little channel on Nightcrawlers and this. Another little gill.
Mm-hmm.
Another little bluegill. Show it to the camera. Woo!
Jesse?
I see it. Okay. You got another channel. Hmm. Now why don't you start catching some we can eat?
If we'd have kept these three, we could have ate them.
My goodness. Hold still, buddy. Hold still.
Maybe. That's how you catch a catfish, yeah. Sold $5 Good.
You got another little channel.
Tell me to cook for a while so you can fish. Even just mouthing it and baby. I'm gonna let you fish for a while now. Here's some stuff up on the still light.
Alright guys, well the bigger ones are starting to bite now, but we didn't bring any lanterns. So we're heading home. Everything Dad caught was caught on Nightcrawlers, sprayed down with Bradley's Bite Enhancer. Everything I caught was, well, the bass was sprayed with Bradley's Bite Enhancer. It was a wacky worm. And the catfish was catfish bubblegum. And I'll put links down below so you'll know how to get that if you want it. And for the month of July, they're coming out with a bacon flavor. You heard that right, bacon flavor catfish bubblegum. So I'll put all those links down below, and best wishes and big fishes.